What's up everyone, I'm CKBtino, and welcome back to the channel. You've probably heard the whispers, GPU mining is dead, not profitable anymore. But if you think GPU mining is dead in 2025, think again. The landscape has evolved, becoming more interesting and potentially lucrative for savvy miners. Miners worldwide, from massive operations to home enthusiasts, are pulling in thousands every month with smarter, cooler, and more efficient setups. We're diving into the top-performing GPU mining rigs that are crushing it right now, breaking down what coins they mine best and how you can build your own profitable setup. But before we dive into the glorious hardware, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon. You don't want to miss a crypto mining update that could change your bottom line. Let's kick things off with the heavyweight champion of the GPU world, the NVIDIA RTX 4090. This card is not just a piece of hardware, it's a statement, a testament to what cutting-edge technology can achieve. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a miner, the RTX 4090 is designed to push the boundaries of what's possible. If you're looking to make a statement, building a rig around these monsters is where you want to be. Imagine walking into a room and seeing a setup powered by multiple RTX 4090s. It's not just impressive, it's awe-inspiring. These GPUs are built for those who want to be at the forefront of technology. The RTX 4090 is a beast, especially on algorithms like Kaspa, pushing out around 2.5 gigahashes per second. This level of performance is unprecedented, making it a top choice for miners looking to maximize their output. The efficiency and power of the RTX 4090 mean that you can achieve higher hashrates with fewer cards, optimizing your setup. This kind of hashrate translates into more potential rewards hitting your wallet. The faster you can mine, the more you can earn. And the RTX 4090 ensures that you stay ahead of the competition. It's not just about speed, it's about reliability and consistency, ensuring that your mining operations run smoothly. Achieving peak performance requires precise tuning, overclocking, memory adjustments, and optimized software. It's a delicate balance, but when done right, the results are phenomenal. Overclocking can push your GPU to its limits, extracting every bit of performance possible. However, it requires a deep understanding of your hardware and software to avoid potential pitfalls. But all that power comes at a cost. Each card can consume roughly 450 watts. This is a significant amount of power, and when you multiply it by multiple cards, the energy consumption can skyrocket. It's essential to factor in these costs when planning your mining operations to ensure that your setup remains profitable. Multi-card rigs quickly add up in power consumption, making them best suited for operations with cheap electricity. If you're in a region with high electricity costs, the expenses can quickly eat into your profits. Therefore, it's crucial to find ways to minimize these costs, whether through renewable energy sources or other means. Cooling is crucial. These cards generate a lot of heat and noise. Effective cooling solutions are necessary to maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. This might involve investing in high-quality fans, liquid cooling systems, or even dedicated cooling rooms. Noise can also be a significant issue, especially in residential areas, so soundproofing might be necessary. The 4090 excels on other demanding coins like Radiant and Conflux, making it versatile. This versatility means that you can switch between different cryptocurrencies based on market conditions, maximizing your profitability. It's not just a one-trick pony. The RTX 4090 is adaptable and powerful across various mining algorithms. It's for serious miners treating this as a business, not a hobby. The investment in an RTX 4090 setup is substantial, both in terms of money and time. However, for those who are committed and knowledgeable, the rewards can be significant. It's about understanding the market, optimizing your setup, and staying ahead of the competition. Building a multi-4090 rig requires top-tier components and excellent cooling. You can't cut corners when it comes to power supplies, cooling solutions, or even the mining frame itself. Each component plays a crucial role in ensuring that your rig operates efficiently and reliably. The noise is significant, so a dedicated space is necessary. This isn't something you can set up in your living room or bedroom. A dedicated mining room, preferably soundproofed, is essential to manage the noise and heat generated by multiple RTX 4090s. An RTX 4090 rig is a high-risk, high-reward proposition, demanding capital, expertise, and the right environment. It's not for the faint-hearted, but for those willing to take the plunge. The potential rewards are immense. It's about balancing the risks with the potential returns and making informed decisions. But the potential for serious returns is there if you manage efficiency and costs. With the right setup, the RTX 4090 can be a game-changer in the world of cryptocurrency mining. It's about leveraging its power and efficiency to maximize your earnings while keeping costs under control. The future of mining is here, and it's powered by the RTX 4090. If the RTX 4090's power and cost made your wallet clench, you're not alone. Many enthusiasts and miners have been looking for a more budget-friendly yet powerful alternative. Let's talk about AMD's RX 7900 XT, a card that strikes a balance between performance and cost. This setup is a favorite for entry-level to mid-tier miners, offering a compelling mix of efficiency, affordability, and hashing power. The RX 7900 XT is designed to provide a good return on investment, making it a popular choice among those who are just starting out or looking to expand their operations without breaking the bank. A 6-GPU RX 7900 XT rig hits a sweet spot, offering significant hashrate without the exorbitant costs associated with higher-end setups. This configuration provides a substantial hashrate, making it a viable option for those looking to maximize their mining efficiency. On Radiant's algorithm, the RX 7900 XT achieves around 1.2 gigahashes per second, which is impressive for its price point. Power consumption is where this card truly shines. With a 6-GPU rig drawing about 900 watts, it offers excellent power efficiency. This efficiency directly impacts your return on investment, with payback periods ranging from 6 to 10 months, depending on electricity costs and market conditions. The RX 7900 XT is not just limited to Radiant. It performs well on other coins like Ergo and Fyro, offering versatility and flexibility for miners. This versatility makes it a valuable addition to any mining setup, allowing you to switch between different coins based on profitability. AMD's driver and software support has significantly improved over the years, making the setup process smoother and more user-friendly. This rig is ideal for miners looking to scale their operations without massive investment, offering a balanced approach to cost and performance. A decent ATX motherboard and a 1200 to 1600 watt PSU are recommended to ensure stable and efficient operation. Noise levels are manageable, making it suitable for a well-ventilated room. Proper ventilation is crucial to maintain optimal performance and longevity of your mining rig. Adjusting fan curves can help manage temperatures effectively. The RX 7900 XT rig offers a powerful, efficient, and affordable path to profitability, making it an excellent choice for both new and experienced miners. Let's talk about a card that's still a gem in 2025, the NVIDIA RTX 3070 Ti. This card is versatile, reliable, and potent for its price point. It offers fantastic efficiency and a great cost-to-performance ratio. Expect 60-70 megahashes per second on algorithms like Ethash derivatives. Power consumption is reasonable, around 220 watts per card. This efficiency is key to profitability, especially with high electricity costs. ROI timelines are often 5 to 8 months, faster than higher power cards. The 3070 Ti shines on various altcoins, offering versatility and longevity. It's perfect for new miners or those scaling operations incrementally. Building a rig is straightforward, with consumer-grade components sufficing. Cooling is less challenging, with standard fans providing adequate airflow. The 3070 Ti is a workhorse offering sustainable mining income. Now for something unconventional, the mixed GPU rig combining NVIDIA and AMD cards offers ultimate flexibility. Consider a mix of 3 AMD RX 6800S and 3 NVIDIA RTX 3080S. The RX 6800 excels on memory-hard algorithms, while the RTX 3080 shines on core-intensive ones. A mixed rig can strategically target different coins or switch focus based on profitability. Power consumption is around 1200 to 1400 watts, requiring a robust PSU. ROI is typically 8 to 10 months, with constant optimization accelerating it. Software setup is manageable with mining OCs handling mixed environments. The core benefit is algorithm switching, adapting to market changes. This adaptability provides a hedge against market fluctuations. It's for experienced miners who value adaptability and uptime. Building requires careful component selection and driver management. The added complexity is worth the flexibility, offering consistent earnings. What if your primary concern isn't raw hashrate, but discretion? Imagine a setup that seamlessly integrates into your living space, offering a balance between performance and tranquility. Enter the Silent Home Rig. This isn't just any mining setup. It's designed to be as unobtrusive as possible, allowing you to maintain a peaceful home environment while still earning a respectable income. This build focuses on low noise and high efficiency, perfect for apartments or shared spaces. Whether you live in a small apartment or share your living space with others, this rig ensures that your mining activities remain discreet and non-intrusive. We're not chasing peak hashrates but aiming for respectable income with minimal noise. The goal here is to strike a balance between performance and silence, ensuring that your mining activities do not disturb your daily life. Cards like the NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super or AMD RX 6600 XT offer excellent power efficiency. These GPUs are not only powerful but also energy efficient, making them ideal for a home setup where power consumption and heat output need to be minimized. A compact setup with 3 or 4 of these cards achieves 600 megahashes per second. This level of performance is more than sufficient for a home miner looking to earn a steady income without the noise and heat of larger rigs. Power consumption is low, between 400-600 watts, reducing heat and noise. This not only keeps your electricity bills manageable but also ensures that your living space remains cool and quiet. ROI is longer, often 10 to 14 months, but the trade-off is acceptable for low noise. While the return on investment may take a bit longer compared to high-performance rigs, the peace and quiet you gain make it worthwhile. Coin selection is important, with algorithms suited to these cards yielding the best results. Choosing the right coins to mine can significantly impact your profitability, so it's crucial to select those that are optimized for your hardware. Undervolting is key, reducing power and heat with minimal impact on hash rate. By fine-tuning your GPU settings, you can achieve a perfect balance between performance and efficiency, further enhancing the quiet operation of your rig. High-quality low-noise fans and good airflow are crucial for silence. Investing in premium fans and ensuring proper airflow can make a significant difference in maintaining a silent and efficient mining setup. This rig can reside in a home office or spare room, blending into the environment. Its compact and quiet nature allows it to fit seamlessly into any part of your home without drawing attention. A silent home rig offers sustainable, quiet profit, proving you don't need an industrial setup for gains. With the right components and careful planning, you can achieve a profitable mining operation that coexists peacefully with your home life. Let's wrap it up, folks. We've explored the landscape of 2025 GPU mining, from powerhouses like the RTX 4090 to the balanced RX 7900 XT and versatile RTX 3070 Ti. We covered mixed GPU rigs and silent home builds, highlighting strategies to stay profitable in today's market. GPU mining isn't dead, it's smarter and more nuanced. With efficient rigs and the right coin choices, you can build sustainable income streams. If this video helped you, smash that thumbs up and subscribe for more mining tips and updates. Thanks for watching, stay profitable, and I'll see you in the next one.